Hello guys, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how will you create the golden text intro for a golden template intro, which I'm gonna show you now by using this KineMaster. So let's open the app, then add here. If you're using a portrait, you can have 9:16. Well, in my case I'm using 16:9 since I'm using a landscape mode. So let's start. Okay, just wait here, and okay, here you're gonna need to add a black background as your main background here. Just check, and in this part here you're gonna add a media, which is your layers, and just look for your template or the downloaded template that you have. So in my case I have it in my intro folder. So again here, so a tip guys, so you need to organize your folder for you to find your files faster. So here just look if where the spotlight starts. Okay, for example you got it there, so you'll have to go for a text and a layer. So we'll add here Jomar, I think. So we have Jomar Po, which is the name of my channel, and we'll go to the font, any font that you want. Since this font is just yours, or I'm not saying that you must use the font that I'm using, but it's all your choice. So if you like my font, then you can download this font like this. Okay, we'll try this one. And since the letter A has been cut the edge, so what you need to do is just add space here, then okay, and then just resize this text. Okay, and I think that's it. Or shall we say we're gonna move this one, and okay, that's it. So let's try. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna try to have a burn animation here, a burn color. Okay, so before that I'm gonna take some capture. So all you need to do is just duplicate this text, and for this one start in which the background is still black. Okay, that's it. And then take a capture, and then go directly to the pixel lab and okay, cancel. So we have the image size of a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so delete this one, and then put the transparent background and add from gallery the one that we have captured lately. So that is in our image, and then captured folder, and just click this one. Okay, check, and then go right here and to relative size and just max it out, and that's it. Then all you need to do is erase color. Then default is white, so you're gonna select the black color. Okay, again, so click for black color and then check. So that's it. So just save this one, save as image, and then PNG format, and then you're gonna have to delete that one and import the created image you have saved. So that is in the pixel lab folder here, and just import this one, and then check, and then go to relative layout or size and check, then go to texture. You're gonna select your texture. In my case I have downloaded it and stored it in this folder. So this one you check, and then try to enable this one and make it a bit smaller. Okay, and stroke, you're gonna stroke it with black to highlight your text. Okay, and then you can add emboss. Okay, it's more shiny, so save, and it's done, so go back to your KineMaster app, and in this part here you're gonna need to delete this one and try to have the in animation for this one, and we'll have the in animation of wipe right. Okay, let's try to look. Okay, so the animation runs faster, so I think we're gonna need to slower this one. So say have to. Okay, let's try. Okay, again let's try to start. Okay, and I think that is quite late, so I'm gonna need to try this here. Okay, back. Okay, just adjust until you meet your wipe right until such time that you meet your animation. Okay, I think this will be fine. So we have this already, so just click on this to have a line. Okay, go to the layers and media, then import the text that you have edited from a Pixellab, so this one. So in this case, so we're gonna need to insert the same animation as what here. So just remember, this animation time is 1.5, so we're gonna apply the same animation time here. So slide or wipe right, and for the same animation we're gonna use 1.5, and then your name will turn off the animation for your name, so it will be steady. So let's try this one, and okay, sorry, you're gonna need to stretch this one. Okay, that's it. So in here let's try to run the animation. So if y faster, okay, I got it wrong since the layers or this text animation is different. So let's try this. I think 0.5. Okay, let's try. So it's too much, so we can apply here. Okay, we'll try to look at the animation. So it runs too fast, still runs too fast, so I think we're gonna need a little bit slower this time. So we try to move it forward. Okay, I think I'm gonna move it here, so let's try. And okay, I don't know what's going on with this animation. It seems like it moves too fast, and I'm gonna try just forget the animation. Okay, it's too behind, so I'm gonna adjust again. I was actually doing this, but I just forgot the steps that I'm using before, so we're gonna take some time fixing this up. Okay, and still it runs late, so I'll try to move this one. And okay, that's it. We're gonna duplicate this layer here, and just duplicate and make this into a blending of screen. Okay, screen, and check. So let's start. Okay, I think we'll be good for that. Okay, let's try to play. Okay. Okay, that's it guys. So this is the end of the tutorial. So thank you for watching. By the way, you can add some background if you want here. So I have downloaded a background. So the same folder, you have this. Then just check this up, or you can simply do this. And for this one, you're gonna put it into a back. So I think this one will have blending of black here. Blending, okay, we have a blending for this, and here we're gonna have the same blending, which is green. Okay, that's it. Okay, just try to play. Guys, now you may save this one. So just for the example, I'm gonna save it lower. Okay, we're gonna saving this as lower size for us to preview it faster. So we just need to wait this one, so we can play the sample if it works perfect. Upon the changes, since something is changing while I'm adding the same different background. So let's try to play. Okay, use this video. Okay, I think that's pretty good enough just for the tutorial. So thank you for watching and have a good day, and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's all. Thank you.